Video na kayo, ha?
Kung gusto mong matutong kantahin ang paborito mong kanta, i-download mo ang StarMaker. Ito ay isang karaoke app na may napakaraming nakakatuwang features. Katulad ng pitch correction para mas maganda ang tunog ng boses mo. At AI voice replacement para ma-remix mo ang paborito mong kanta gamit ang mga sikat na boses ng mga celebrities. I-tap na at i-download na ngayon.
Where did you borrow from? How did you get so much?
Pinoy Peso. Pinoy Peso offers a limit of 30,000 pesos and you can pay it back over 6 months. And there's no processing fees at all.
Such a low interest. Must be so hard to get approved, right? You have to fill loads of forms.
You just need an ID and phone number, easy approval, and the money is in your account in just a minute.
Sweet! Tell me where to download it. This is too good.
Just click the link below the video and download it.
Alam mo, pag-open ka, nandiyan ka sa loob.
Doon din siya. Doon ka sa gitna ng kalsada.
Wait.